This is a 2012 Chevrolet Suburban, a big SUV for big fun. It features a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and automatic transmission. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a premium audio system, satellite radio, an air suspension, a limited-slip differential, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, adjustable driver pedals, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a passenger side airbag, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, dual power seats, air conditioning with vents for rear seat passengers, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.